If someone says you must to come to the meeting, they're making a mistake. Modal verbs never use to after them. Never. And if you don't know the difference between must and have to, you might sound rude when you're trying to be polite.
Wait, they're not the same?
Not quite. And that's exactly what we're fixing today. I'm Emma.
I'm Jake, and I've definitely said must to before.
Then you're in the right place. Let's break down should, must, have to, and might. Simple rules, real examples, and we've got Emily and Den here to show you how native speakers actually use these in conversation.
And we've prepared a free practice worksheet for you to try it yourself. Download it from the link in the description.
And tell us your score in the comments.
Let's get started. First one is should. This is advice, but here's the thing. It's not soft. When someone says you should, they expect you to do it.
Like when my boss said, you should finish the report by Friday.
Exactly. You thought it was optional. It wasn't.
Yeah, I learned that the hard way.
Should means this is the right thing to do and I expect you to do it. Examples. You should see a doctor. Strong advice, not a casual suggestion. We should leave now. It's time to go. You should apologize. It's the right thing to do.
So it's polite but firm.
Exactly. Now let's hear it in action. Emily, Den, show us.
Hey, I'm Emily, your go-to person for workplace English tips.
And I'm Den. I've learned these verbs the hard way through job interviews and awkward emails.
All right, Den. Imagine I'm your manager. Den, you should send that email before the end of the day. The client is waiting.
Got it. I'll do it now.
See that? Emily didn't say you must, but Den understood. It's expected. Next, must. This is serious. It's either a rule, a law, or you're absolutely certain about something.
So you must stop at a red light.
Perfect. That's a law, no choice. But must also shows certainty. He must be the new manager. I'm sure of it based on what I see. She must be tired. I can tell she looks exhausted.
So it has two meanings.
Yes, obligation or certainty. Context tells you which one.
Let me give you a workplace example. All employees must attend the meeting tomorrow. It's mandatory.
Okay, I'll be there.
Must here is a rule, no wiggle room. Now here's where learners get confused. What's the difference between must and have to? Have to is also obligation, but here's the key difference. Must often comes from you or formal rules. Have to comes from outside forces, your job, the law, other people.
Wait, give me an example.
Sure. I must finish this today. You decided it's important. I have to finish this today. Someone else set the deadline or there's a rule.
Oh, so I have to go to work means my job requires it.
Exactly. The obligation is external.
Den, you have to submit your timesheet by 5 p.m. That's company policy.
Okay, I have to do it. No choice.
Another thing, in casual English, native speakers use have to way more than must. Must sounds formal or serious.
So if I say I have to go, that's more natural than I must go?
Yes, I must go sounds dramatic, like you're in a hurry or it's urgent. Last one, might. This means maybe. Something is possible, but you're not sure.
I might go to the party tonight.
Perfect. You're saying maybe yes, maybe no. Examples. It might rain tomorrow. Possible, not certain. She might call later. Maybe she will. I might be late. There's a chance.
What about may? Is it the same?
Pretty much. May is slightly more formal, but most people use might in everyday conversation.
Can I show you how this sounds naturally?
Go ahead.
Emily, are you coming to the team lunch?
I might. I have to check if I'm free first.
You should come. It'll be fun.
Okay, I'll try.
Did everyone catch that? Might for possibility, have to for obligation, and should for advice, all in one natural conversation.
Let's put them together so you can see the differences.
Yes, this will help.
Here we go. Should equals strong advice. You should exercise more. Must equals strong obligation or certainty. You must wear a seatbelt. That's the law. He must be the boss. That's certainty. Have to equals external obligation. I have to work tomorrow. Job requires it. Might equals possibility. I might visit next week. That means maybe.
Okay, that's clear.
Now, 3 mistakes learners make all the time. Mistake 1, adding to after modal verbs. You must to go. That's wrong. You must go. I should to call her. No, I should call her.
Modal verbs never used to?
Never. Modal plus base verb. That's it. Mistake 2, using the wrong form of the main verb. She might coming later. That's wrong. She might come later. I have to going now. No, I have to go now.
No ing either?
Correct. Always the base verb. Mistake 3, using must when have to sounds more natural. Native speakers say, I have to wake up early, casual, natural, not I must wake up early. That sounds overly formal or dramatic.
So have to is safer in conversation?
Much safer. Save must for rules, laws, or when you're being emphatic.
Emily, Den, let's do one more scenario. You're planning a work project. Use all 4 modal verbs naturally.
All right, here we go. Den, we have to submit this proposal by Friday. That's the client's deadline.
Okay, I might need help with the budget section, though. I'm not sure I can finish it alone.
You should ask Sarah. She's really good with numbers.
Good idea. And what about the cost breakdown?
You must include that. The client specifically asked for it in the email.
Got it. I'll make sure it's in there.
Perfect. Did everyone hear them?
Have to for the external deadline, might for possibility, should for advice, and must for the client's requirement.
Exactly. That's how native speakers use modal verbs without even thinking about it. Let's recap fast. Should, strong advice. You should see a doctor. Must, obligation or certainty. You must stop at the light, or he must be the manager. Have to, external obligation. I have to work late. Might, possibility. It might rain.
And remember, modal plus base verb. No to, no ing.
Exactly. If this cleared up modal verbs for you, subscribe for more practical English every week.
And let us know which modal verb trips you up the most.
Emily and Den, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
See you next time.
Don't forget to download the free worksheet from the link in the description and practice. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.